The Muthoot Group, with an over 800-year-old family legacy, started in 1887 as a small trading enterprise. It is today a multifaceted, exponentially growing business conglomerate comprising 17 divisions, with education and healthcare being CSR-driven ventures running on a not-for-profit basis. After successfully establishing the renowned St. George's School, whose foundation stone was laid by late Sri Shankar Dayal Sharma, former President of India, over 32 years ago in New Delhi, and a chain of technical educational colleges in Kerala, ranging from engineering and management to allied health sciences and nursing, the Muthoot Group now adds another feather to its cap with its new state-of-the-art co-educational institution, Paul George Global School in New Delhi. Built in the ever-loving memory of late Sri Paul M. George, former Executive Director and son of Sri M. G. George Muthoot, Chairman, the Muthoot Group, the school has been built as a center of academic and extracurricular excellence.
The Muthoot Group has always been deeply involved in education as a means of giving back to the society the goodwill that has been bestowed upon us. Paul was not only my son but also a great human being. We want his name to live on forever through this institution, whose foundations will be laid using the values and were dear to his heart. As a human being, Paul gave utmost importance to courage, compassion, equality and integrity, and felt that these qualities were the building blocks on which humanity is built. We want to take these values and use them as a cornerstone of an institution that we hope will grow to be one of the finest in the country and will forever keep Paul's legacy etched in the collective memory of our society. In one phrase, I would say that Paul George Global School would redefine excellence in education.
The inspiring logo of the school is an open book and a lotus flower with 4 petals of red, yellow, green and blue color, denoting the 4 character values of late Sri Paul M. George, namely courage, compassion, equality and integrity. The logo communicates that education empowers and enlightens human beings with the supreme knowledge of the world.
At Paul George Global School, we nurture young minds, focusing on the holistic development and bringing forth their moral, ethical, human and spiritual values so that they develop character and confidence with a deep-rooted passion in pursuit of excellence. Paul was truly a multifaceted person, and that is what made him such a great leader. Similarly, we envision the school to groom well-rounded future leaders just like Paul. Right from the inception of the idea, we wanted to infuse the spirit of the institution into the very framework of the building. So our stress was on a design that epitomizes our vision of all-round development. We also wanted the infrastructure to be seen as a confidence-building measure to assure the parents that their children would only get the very best at the school. This can be seen in the campus, which has all the amenities to promote the all-round physical and mental development of a child so that they become true global citizens.
The school epitomizes a true 21st century institution, with the smart campus being fully air-conditioned and Wi-Fi enabled. Most importantly, it is monitored by a sophisticated centralized surveillance system that ensures a safe and secure environment. Showcasing its progressive values, the school is also a green campus with energy-saving means and cutting-edge environment-friendly construction comprising solar panels, outer walls of air-aerated concrete blocks, rainwater harvesting and dry wall partitions. The health of the students is kept foremost through utilization of radiant cooling technology that allows students to adjust to varying temperatures as they move indoors and outdoors. An on-campus infirmary also ensures regular health checkups of students. A number of indoor and outdoor facilities are available, including an all-weather swimming pool, Wimbledon-style tennis court, a unique 8-lane 100-meter synthetic running track going through the school, and an exquisite skating rink. There is also a state-of-the-art auditorium with retractable seating which can double up as a playing area for indoor basketball, badminton and table tennis. When not used for sports, the auditorium provides space for artistic and cultural endeavours. There is also a shared playground with the neighbouring St. George's School, also the Muthoot Group, which will be optimally utilised for other sports such as football, hockey and cricket, thereby adding to the facilities being provided. The academic block will comprise 56 spacious and well-ventilated classrooms that will accommodate nearly 2,000 children from nursery to class 12.
The school is progressive and ensures nurturing of young minds in a secure and value-based learning environment to meet the needs of the 21st century learner. The teaching is more scientific with a great use of technological assistance. There's huge scope in art, craft, music, dance and theatre where the student can develop his multiple skills. Faculty at Paul George Global School is well qualified and highly experienced, and they are mere mentors in the student-centered learning process of the school. The prime focus at Paul George Global School is learning and teaching in a secure, warm, conducive, welcoming and happy environment where each student strives for his own excellence.
Built brick by brick with dedication and passion, the Paul George Global School as it stands today is not just an educational institution. It is an edifice of faith and a crystallization of a dream of late Shri Paul and George, whose legacy will remain forever through the foundations of the Paul George Global School.